Hi, it's Julie Thompson reporting from the second day of IAB's annual leadership meeting in Miami. I'm here with Jeffrey Moore, speaker, advisor, consultant extraordinaire.
Whatever.
Who just got off the stage talking about content distribution. What did you have to tell the audience?
Well, actually, the topic was about business network transformation and how the digital media is fundamentally revolutionizing and re-engineering the traditional relationships between advertisers and CPG and content publishers.
And what are you telling clients, how can they make the transition to digital easier in the ecosystem?
You know, it's not easy because the issue is the infrastructure at some levels is really scaled out. So for example, if you want to do transactional kinds of selling online, it's very effective. But when you want to do brand image and engagement and enlistment, there's still a lot of infrastructure that isn't quite there yet. And particularly now that we have highly mobile endpoints, in trying to get every mobile endpoint to give you a great experience, it's a big, big challenge. So I think part of it's just counseling patience, but it is where the eyeballs are and it is where the hearts are. So you got to kind of go there.
So do you feel like an emergency room doctor or more like a managed care physician?
That's not bad. I actually think it's more managed care, less emergency room. I don't think it's an emergency, but you know, the patience that you're required to when you go through these transitions, as we're trying to do with healthcare, it's a lot. And so, I think trying to do slightly fewer things, do them better, give yourself the feedback on them, move to the next step. There's time to change. We don't have to make all of the change in the next year or two, but what you can't do is not make progress. And unfortunately, a lot of times, we'll jump and we'll jump and we'll jump, and we don't learn enough, and we actually end up losing, not gaining ground.
I see. And what are you hearing are the stumbling blocks for shifting share to digital?
Well, a couple of things. One is, in the brand experience world, you really do want to control the experience. That's still hard to do in the digital world. You get this unbelievable reach and a somewhat variable experience. So that's certainly number one. I think the second thing is just getting the analytics. We know that there's this massive data that can teach us a ton, but we're still talking about it more than doing it, at the margin. And so institutionalizing that at scale, the way it's been institutionalized in radio and TV forever, that's a journey. And those are the kinds of things that will allow this thing to go forward. I don't think we're no longer fighting the battle of intent. Everybody kind of gets this is where we're going. I just think that we've got to sign up for it's a marathon, it's not a sprint.
And how can IAB help the industry on this marathon?
Well, I think so there's a bunch of things, problems, Randy talked about some this morning. There's some political issues and social issues that frankly IAB is almost the only one that can help the industry because you've got to get out in front of these things with a consortium level approach with many different interest levels. That's a huge place they can do it. I think the actual core of this problem gets solved in the interactions between the advertisers, the brands, and the media folks, and the agencies. I think IAB wants to create a forum for people to have good discussions, but that's actually got to be done among the principals.
And are you finding this meeting in Miami is a useful forum?
Well, I love it. I tend to spend my life in the tech sector, so people at this meeting are not only better dressed, they're better looking, they're very hip. It's actually kind of a cool place to be, and I'm enjoying it a great deal, actually.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being here, Jeffrey.
My pleasure, Julie. Thanks.